Global series of nozzles are our line of everyday versatile trouble-solving nozzles. Global nozzles come in different versions and can be supplied with or without exchangeable jets. The short and compact design is made to avoid getting stuck or caught on offsets in pipe. The Global Super Penetrator is the long version of the same series, designed to stay firmly at the bottom and prevent the risk of nozzle turning in pipe or getting stuck on offsets. The basic Global nozzles come in 4 different versions. Only thrusting jets and 1 forward jet, thrusting jets and 3 forward jets, only 1 forward jet, pre-drilled jets in different sizes to fit most pumps. Available with 1/4 inch thread up to 1 1/4 inch. Global nozzles are made in nickel-coated steel. Global Multi and Global SP have interchangeable jets in stainless or stainless ceramic. Available with 1/4 inch thread up to 1 1/4 inch. Global Multi and Global SP are suitable for recycling water,